Field surveyors play a crucial role in the development and construction industry. They are responsible for collecting accurate data and measurements of land, buildings, and infrastructure. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, a prominent industrial area in India, the presence of field surveyors is essential for various construction projects. These professionals work closely with engineers, architects, and planners to ensure that the design and execution of projects are aligned with the requirements and regulations. Udyog Vihar, located in Gurgaon, is known for its industrial establishments and business parks. With a growing number of companies setting up their operations in this area, the need for field surveyors has significantly increased. These professionals are tasked with conducting surveys to determine the boundaries and topography of land, as well as identifying any potential obstacles or challenges that may arise during construction. SCON Design, a renowned design firm in Udyog Vihar, understands the importance of field surveyors in their projects. They recognize that accurate data collection is crucial for creating precise and efficient designs. By employing experienced field surveyors, SCON Design ensures that their designs are based on reliable information, minimizing the risk of errors or delays during the construction process. The field surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, employ various tools and techniques to carry out their tasks effectively. They use advanced equipment such as total stations, DGP devices, and 3D scanners to accurately measure and document the existing conditions of a site. This data is then used by designers and engineers at SCON Design to develop the most suitable design solutions for their clients. By working closely with government agencies and regulatory bodies, field surveyors help to streamline the approval process and ensure that all design and construction activities adhere to the required standards. The development and construction industries depend heavily on field surveyors. They are in charge of gathering precise information and measurements of the terrain, constructions, and infrastructure. For a number of development projects, field surveyors are required in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, a well-known industrial location in India. These experts collaborate closely with planners, engineers, and architects to make sure that projects are designed and carried out in accordance with specifications and rules. Gurgaon's Udyog Vihar is well renowned for its industrial complexes and business parks. The demand for field surveyors has greatly expanded due to an increase in the number of businesses establishing operations in this region. These experts are entrusted with conducting surveys to ascertain the terrain and land borders, as well as to spot any prospective difficulties that can emerge during construction. Field surveyors are crucial to SCON Design's projects because they are a well-known design company in Udyog Vihar. They understand that exact data collection is essential for developing precise and effective designs. SCON Design reduces the possibility of mistakes or delays during the construction process by